In Silico World. Personalized computer models for innovative insoles. Corrective insoles are used worldwide to treat different foot pathologies, improve movement during daily life and sports, or enhance comfort. Much like finding the perfect shoe for an outfit, finding the optimal insole to correct specific foot pathologies or atypical motion can be just as difficult. While many options of orthopaedic insoles exist, they are often not customized for the individual patient. Advanced computer model simulations combined with motion capture technology allow us to understand how each patient walks and predict how a patient's foot will move. The insole solution uses such technologies to virtually test many different candidate insoles and find the best fit for a specific patient. Therefore, by combining computer models with 3D printing, we can achieve improved personalization, superior performance, and correction. Insole would allow doctors and patients to find which insole produces the most optimal outcome, improving posture, movements, and ultimately quality of life.